Helicopter armbar. Do you know how to do it? Let me tell you something here first. Hip control is number one, all right? So let me talk about the hip control. I put the ball of my feet on his hip, all right? I push a little bit and I wiggle myself under the guy. When I lift him up, my whole foot controls his hip. He's on top of me. All right, now let's talk about the arms here. What side do you want? I want his right arm. So I grab the right arm and the left arm up, right arm in. Let go the hip. Once he falls, I open my legs right there, land on him, thumb up, lift up, thumb out, pull out. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it again. So here we are, okay? Yeah, so basically here I wiggle until I get the foot, but I don't try to put the sole. I try to put the ball of my feet. When I want to bring the guy up, I stretch. My knees pull his elbow up, regardless of his posture. When I lift him, look, he's right on top of me. Cross the arms, keep turning. Let the guy go through your legs up, gently on the body and the face. Thumb up, hip up. Thumb out, pull out.